Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be transplanting my petunia seedlings. But before we do that, I want to show you the progress of the plants that are doing in the greenhouse. This is my status, and look how big it's gotten. And then I have some petunias over here that I've already transplanted. And then I have some stalks over here, some snapdragons, some more petunias. And then I have some alyssum over here, and then some more stalk, and these are my zinnias. So here are the petunias that I will be transplanting today into my 6-pack. You probably have noticed that I have some empty slots here. I've already transplanted some of the petunias into the 6-pack. And so today these ones are coming out, and possibly this one. This one I probably would wait another week or so. And let me tell you which ones they are. So this one here is a petunia blue vein, and I'll put a picture up here so you can see what it looks like. This one is called Double Cascade Orchid Mist, and this one is Double Cascade Mix. So we're going to start with this one. So I move the camera a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing here. So what I'm going to use is this little tool here to take out the seedlings gently. I got this one from Amazon. So here we go. So you just gently pull away as much as you can. I usually start this small. And then I'll show you the next step that I'm doing. I gently pull the plant one at a time to put inside the hole, just like that. So I'm done transplanting the petunias. I have some leftover blue vein and also the double cascade mix. I'm going to let this one grow for maybe another week or so. And then this one I'll check also and save it. There's a few here that I'm going to save and see how they do. Because these petunias don't have much of a root system, we're going to make sure that they get watered every day. So these plants look very small, and it's kind of hard to believe that they will grow, but they do grow. And I'm going to show you some of the petunia plants that I planted about a couple of weeks ago, and then there's another one that I planted 3 weeks ago. This one here has been in here for about 3 weeks. And these ones have been here for about a couple of weeks. These ones were planted a few days ago. Well, that's it for now. I'm going to give you another update in another month or so, but I hope you guys found this video useful. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.